Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here is the list of the participants. Please encourage these participants by giving your valuable votes to them, and please do watch the videos till the end. For voting, please visit the description box and cast your valuable votes. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is me Minerva Subba, and today I'm going to express my motivation with you. But before that, I'm going to remind you that the voting link is given in the description box itself below my name Minerva Subba. So please do vote for me. Here we begin. Life. How beautiful it is. How amazing it is to be able to wake up in the morning and have that sun shine on your face rather than on your grave. What makes life so beautiful and so unique? It is beautiful because whatever you have, that you may be facing, that you may be dealing with, life is still good. Life has so many ups and downs, but still life's always good. Every day is a new day and another opportunity that others may not have. This life that you're given, this life that you're temporarily holding on to, this life that has been given to you only for temporary reasons has more meaning than you can ever imagine. So many people in this world take life for granted instead of realizing that you have to take the opportunity to live in the best way you know how. Now, in this journey of life, you're gonna face a significant amount of circumstances, a significant amount of challenges. You're gonna fall into areas where you don't understand, and maybe it's not in a position for you to understand. At that moment, when you start to feel that you are in a position where you don't love your life anymore, where you don't want to live anymore, then shame on you. Because your life is a beautiful thing and no one deserves to ruin it. No one deserves to control it and no one deserves to steal your joy. Your life is your life and you have all the rights to live in the best way you know how. There are going to be so many things that will try to slow you down. There's going to be so many different challenges that you must face. But instead of running away from the challenges, run towards the challenges. Be able to understand that life has meaning. It has reasons. And all those things that you think that it's hard on you, just remember. Sometimes you have to go through these changes, these circumstances that puts you in a position that you may feel that you aren't worthy anymore. But make no mistake, you are worthy. You are created for something. You wasn't created for nothing. You may come to a point where you feel, where you find yourself that you are in a hopeless situation. You may come to a point in your life that you are at the end of the rope and the only thing left is to climb up. Stop stressing yourself about the things that you cannot control of and start focusing on the things that you have a control of. Take control of your life. Take control of your opportunities. Believe in yourself. So many people out there in the world right now will try to tell you not to be something that you feel in your heart you want to be. There are so many people out there in the world right now who are miserable, who will try their level best to take you with them. Don't let misery control your life. Don't let anyone tell you how to live it. Don't let anyone validate your destiny. Someone told you long time back that you wasn't worthy enough. Someone looked into your eyes and told you long time back that you wasn't going to make it. I say to you right now that you will make it. I say to you right now that you must make it. For this is your life that you're fighting for. This is your life that you're living for. Don't wait something to happen. Make it happen. You make it happen for a reason. And take full responsibility and control of this thing we call life. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Riya Tiwari and I hope you are home and safe. I am here to talk upon a topic which is very important to talk about. As of the current pandemic situations, the number of suicides are increasing day by day. Approximately in every 18 minutes someone commits suicide. Now, the most important question arises is that what is the cause of suicidal thought? Is the problem being so huge that it could not be tackled up? Is the problem being so big that ending one's life is the only situation left? What's worth noticing is that depression is a major step in individual's life, that the suicidal tendency develop in them after a period of time. People just fall apart and become less and less happier. So let me tell you what depression is like in medical terms. Firstly, it's a medical condition in which functioning of brain, chemicals and emotion make any person affected in many situations. Secondly, depression can affect anyone and everyone despite the fact that they are poor, rich, young or old. Thirdly, Pain can be bad relationships, failure in studies and career, or bad physical appearances, because it's very common in the society that they judge one by qualification term, they judge people by their looks but don't look upon the inner ability one has. This may lead in individuals falling towards depression, which may lead on losing their life because of the dominance of the society. As rapidly the lifestyle of the people are changing, the suicidal tendency is also accelerating in one's life. People are enjoying being alone and calling it a freedom. It is really a freedom. Locking yourself in the room, avoiding your loved ones gives you a freedom. Is it so? Sometimes shameful acts done by the culprit may lead the victim and their family to end up their lives. The suicides are also increasing due to hateful comments on social media from the people who are known and unknown to you. People are easily getting affected by this hate speech. So, what to do? Neglect them? I would say take those comments in the way of joke. Rather, in my opinion, live your life to the best, to the fullest. Don't owe your life to such bullshit. Stop suicide and start loving your life the way it is. Choose to be strong, happy and calm in any situation life brings to you. Stop assuming, stop suicide. Your life matters may not for you, but it's precious for your family. Think twice which you step. Thank you so much for hearing, and I believe this would change your mind and make you feel love yourself, cause your lives are not worthless and it doesn't give you a second chance.
Hi everyone and good morning. I am Tanuja Parveen of Standard 12 from BD Memorial English Higher Secondary School, participating in the speech telling competition. So here I begin. Why are we so insecure? Social media has changed people's thinking nowadays. Most of us compare our life with others' life. They are happier than you, they are prettier than you, they are richer than you, and they are more and more than you. You feel insecure about your hair, your body, your face, and whatever flaws you see in yourself. You feel that you are worthless, toxic, loser, and many more things. You must know that you are not alone. Don't worry what other people think and say about you. You are loved by the people who really matters. Know that you are created different and you have different purpose of living your own life. Everyone's still looking for the same thing in life, and that is happiness. You just need to be the best version of yourself and be grateful, and then slowly you will stop comparing yourself with others. Be the happy-go-lucky girl. Thank you.
I am the Wasim Sheikh from BD Memorial English High Secondary School. I am here to say which is upon life. So here begins. Life is filled, struggled and searched, again looking for happiness, contentments and success. So here I begins. Happiness and sorrow are synonymous with each other, meaning that there is only one, which is happiness. It is sorrow, and only our thinking makes a difference between the two. Just like you ate mango, you felt it tastes sweet. It is a happiness. Then you ate neem, you felt bitter. In fact, the bitterness of neem is not sorrow, but you are looking for the taste like mango in everything. Happiness is like a wheel. If one comes, then another will go. But you feel that happiness. Think there is something that gives you pleasure, gives happiness, and when that thing goes away from you, then it is said actually the reason for sorrow is our desire. When we want something and we do not get it, then we are sad. It does not hurt us. Our desire makes us sad. There is not such thing as sorrow and happiness in the world. This is all the time. Now the time is something else. After a while, there will be a something else. If we really come to know that everything is temporary, mortal, then we will not be sad. Neither sorrow is everlasting, nor is happiness the truth. Think you are sleeping, and what happens if a lizard passes by your hand? Nothing, you won't mind because you don't know. Now imagine if a lizard passes through your hand. What will be your reaction? You will immediately get upset and feel dirty. But think the lizard did not bother you. Your mind will not be disturbed. If you control your mind, the whole game will be over. All will be clear. All the happiness will remain happiness. Thank you.